हेलो एवरीवन फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरे चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पोएम फ्रॉम योर बुक हॉर्नबिल। दिस पोएम इज फॉर क्लास 11 एंड द टाइटल इज चाइल्डहुड। सो ये चाइल्डहुड जो पोएम है उसके बारे में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। चाइल्डहुड का मतलब बचपन, रिटन बाय मार्कुस नाथन। Friends, childhood is the best period of human life. Everybody must accept it because we know childhood is the best, where there is no tension, no burden, anything, isn't it? So most of the time, sometime what happened, we think like this: how it was our childhood period. And one more thing, when people become adult, right after becoming adult, they see a lot of changes in their physical, mental, and emotional. So these things are not easily, they cannot accept it easily. Human being cannot accept easily. They find lots of difficulties to accept these physical changes, mental changes. जब इंसान चाइल्डहुड से एडल्टहुड में आता है तो वो सब चेंजेस उनके मन में बहुत सारा सवाल पैदा करता है। तो कभी कभी हम भी ऐसे सोचते हैं कि वो चाइल्डहुड मेरा कहाँ था, कैसा था, क्योंकि एडल्टहुड इज अ डिफरेंट फेज ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ, है कि नहीं? सो फ्रेंड्स, in this poem childhood by Marcus Nathan, you will get four stanzas. How many? You will get four stanzas, but in the three stanza you will get similar questions. The poet, he asks to himself, when did I lost my childhood? तीनों स्टेंजा में एक टाइप का क्वेश्चन पॉइंट पूछता रहता है कि अपना चाइल्डहुड कहाँ खो दिया, कब खो दिया, व्हेन, कब कब खो दिया अपना चाइल्डहुड। ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स, विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन द पोएम स्टेंजा वाइज। ओके, दिस इज द एनालिसिस ऑफ द पोएम। ऑलरेडी आई हैव एक्सप्लेन हियर, मैंने अभी जो डिस्कस किया वही लिखा हुआ है। ओके, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेंजा। In the first stanza, the poet said, when did my childhood go? When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be was that the day? So in the very first stanza, the poet said, when did my childhood go? The poet, he is asking to himself, when did my childhood go? मेरा childhood कब खो गया? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? कि वो दिन था शायद when I completed my 11 years of life. Ceased मतलब complete. Here is past tense, simple past tense. Completed my 11 years of life. Maybe the poet is not satisfied. शायद ये आंसर poet ने खुद को क्वेश्चन पूछा, फिर आंसर भी खुद ने दिया। उसने कहा कि शायद जब मेरा 11 years complete हुआ तब मैंने अपना childhood खो दिया। But our poet is not maybe satisfied. That is why he has changed his statement and said, when I realized hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be was the day. The poet said, when I realized, मैंने जब realize किया, मैंने जो महसूस किया कि hell and heaven, जो नर्क and जो heaven है, स्वर्ग है, ये जो concept है, ये geography books में नहीं है. This place is not there in geography. You cannot find in the earth कि this is the place known as hell, this is the place known as heaven. So the poet, but see one more thing, the child, if you say like this कि brother don't do some bad thing, if you do bad thing definitely you will go to hell, if you do some good thing you will go to heaven, definitely they will think yes maybe one place is there, कि दुनिया में शायद एक प्लेस है, एक दुनिया में शायद एक नर्क है, एक जहन्नम है, एक स्वर्ग है। अच्छा काम करोगी तो ये हेवन में जाओगी, हेल में जाओगी, बुरा काम करोगी तो। सो ये चाइल्ड का एक है, एक विश्वास है, उन लोग लगता है कि हेल एंड हेवन दुनिया में है। बट द पोएट सेड, व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड कि देयर इज नो हेल एंड हेवन इन द जियोग्राफी बुक, शायद तब मैंने अपना चाइल्डहुड खो दिया। ओके, so this is the poet, he is curiously thinking, curiosity was there, he is thinking to himself, when did my childhood go? मेरा चाइल्डहुड कहाँ गया, कब गया, मेरा चाइल्डहुड कब गया? द पोएट इज थिंकिंग एंड उसका आंसर खुद दिया मैंने अभी जो कहा आपसे। ओके, ये है पहला स्टेंजा। In the second stanza, see, the poet he asks to himself the same type of question. When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized adults were not all they seem to be? They talked of love, preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? So in the second stanza, the poet asks to himself the similar question: When did my childhood go? मेरा childhood कब खो गया? The poet he answered, and this time his answer is totally different. And the answer is, was it the time I realized the adults were not all the same too? उसने क्या कहा कि जब मुझे रियलाइजेशन हुआ कि जो एडल्ट्स है, जो एजेड इंसान है, उन लोग दिखाते कुछ करते कुछ. Okay, they talked about love, they preached about love, they advised us to love someone, but they did not act lovingly. उसने भी अपने लाइफ में, प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में अप्लाई नहीं किया. ऐसा बहुत टाइम होता है, जैसे पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स, वो प्यार के बारे में बात करेगा, वो यूनिवर्सल हार्मनी के बात करेगा, लेकिन एक्चुअल में हिंदू मुस्लिम करता रहेगा. So boys, so here the poet he said, when I realized the adults they talk about love, they preached about love, but did not act lovingly. क्योंकि वो चाइल्डहुड में वो एडल्ट की बात मानता रहा था, लेकिन एडल्टहुड में जब आया उनको लगा कि एडल्ट जो है वो खुद अपने जिंदगी में वो सब करते नहीं है, दूसरे को सिखाते हैं. तो तब मैंने शायद अपना चाइल्डहुड खो दिया. तो दिस इज द सेकंड स्टेंजा. ओके, this is the explanation. The poet is thinking about the adult. You can see here in the picture. Okay, now the third stanza. In the third stanza, when did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine, to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people but my own, and mine alone was that the day. So in the third stanza, the same question the poet asks to himself, and the same question it was, when did my childhood go? मेरा childhood कब खो गया? Was it I found my mind was really mine? The poet said, when I found my mind was really mine. जो मेरा mind है, किसी का नहीं है. लेकिन चाइल्ड का क्या होता है, वो खुद का थॉट्स नहीं होता. अगर बोला कि ये गलत है, वो सोचेगा गलत है. But as an adult, if you think something about something, definitely you can understand, yes, this is good for you, it is bad for you. So the poet said, when I realized, when I found my mind was really mine, which can produce thoughts, ideas, it can take decision what is good and what is bad. At that time I might lost my childhood. The poet ने क्या कहा कि शायद तब उसने आंसर चेंज किया, क्वेश्चन सेम ही रहा कि जब मैंने रियलाइज किया कि मेरा जो माइंड है ये मेरा है, किसी का नहीं, ये आइडिया भी दे सकता है, आइडिया ले भी सकता है, उसको मालूम है कि वो क्या सही है क्या गलत है, तब शायद मैंने अपना चाइल्डहुड खो दिया. ओके, दिस इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन व्हाट आई हैव मेंशन्ड हियर. इन द फोर्थ स्टेंजा, this is very interesting. See, the fourth stanza, the poet he changed his question. Now the question is different. Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant face. That's all I know. The poet he changed his question and he said, where did my childhood go? मेरा childhood कहाँ गया? गया तो गया, लेकिन कहाँ गया? तीन स्टेंजा में हमें मिला कि पोएट अपने क्वेश्चन का आंसर देता रहा, चेंज करता रहा, लेकिन फोर्थ स्टेंजा में अपना क्वेश्चन, शायद क्वेश्चन का वो थर्ड स्टेंजा तक वो सेटिस्फाइड बन गया और अभी पूछ रहा है, वेयर डिड माई चाइल्डहुड गो? मेरा चाइल्डहुड कहाँ खो गया? कहाँ गया तो कहाँ? इट वेंट टू सम फॉरगॉटन प्लेस. द पोएट कुड नॉट रिमेंबर इट बिकॉज इट वॉज few years ago, बहुत साल पहले ये हुआ. तो पोएट अभी वो सोच रहा है कि कहाँ गया, लेकिन वो याद नहीं कर पा रहा है. That's hidden in infant face. That's all I know. उसने क्या कहा? गया, वो छुपा कहाँ पे? एक इन्फेंट के गालों में. आप देख सकते हो कि जो इन्फेंट है, जो चाइल्ड है, उनका इनोसेंट स्माइल, वो कभी फेक स्माइल नहीं करता. They never smile unnaturally. They smile naturally. With their smile, they have feelings. But we adult, we make lot of artificial smiles, artificial, we show lots of behavior. The poet once, there in the poem, once upon a time, the poet said, we change our face like dress. So the poet said कि मेरा जो स्माइल है वो इन्फेंट के गालों में चला गया, कि अच्छा सीध अच्छों में ही जाता है, कि वो चाइल्डहुड का स्माइल, इतना नेचुरल स्माइल, प्योर स्माइल, वो चाइल्डहुड के एक इन्फेंट के गालों में चला गया. Okay, so poem, boy, everyone, friends, this is the explanation of the poem. I have tried my best to give you an idea about the poem. तो ये 4 स्टेंजा हमें मिलता है. पहले 3 स्टेंजा में पोएट सेम टाइप का क्वेश्चन पूछता है, व्हेन डिड माय चाइल्डहुड गो, अपना चाइल्डहुड कब खो गया. Okay, and the poet, he replied back in the first stanza. He said, when I realized, when I completed my 11 years of life, at that time I might lost my childhood. And again he said, when I realized that adults that talk about love preach about love but they do not act lovingly. In the third stanza he said, when I realized my mind was my mind, जो मेरा माइंड है वो आइडिया प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है, तब शायद मैंने अपना चाइल्डहुड खो दिया. इन द फोर्थ स्टेंजा पोएट क्या करता है, अपना क्वेश्चन को चेंज करके बोलता है कि कहाँ गया मेरा चाइल्डहुड. तो आंसर भी था कि वो भूल गया है, फॉरगॉटन प्लेस में चले गया, गया तो इन्फेंट के गालों में चला गया. ओके, सो दिस इज द पोएम. ओके, चाइल्डहुड. So few important questions here in the display. You can see this is very important question. Identify the stanza that talks of each other of the following: individuality, rationalism and hypocrisy. एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि कौन सा वर्ड कौन सा स्टेंजा में. जैसे इंडिविजुअलिटी आपका थर्ड स्टेंजा में मिलेगा, जहां पे पोएट बोलता है कि माई माइंड इज माई माइंड, दिस इज इंडिविजुअलिटी. द पोएट सेड इट कुड प्रोड्यूस थॉट्स एंड आइडियाज, इजंट इट. रैशनलिज्म आपको मिलेगा फर्स्ट स्टेंजा में. द पोएट सेड व्हेन I cease to believe, ये philosophical thoughts है. Hypocrisy see in the second stanza. In the second stanza the poet said, the adults that talk about love preach about love. ये hypocrisy है, तो ये second stanza में आपको मिलेगा. Okay. In the second question you will get, what according to the poem is involved in the process of growing up. What according to the process to the poem is involved in the process of growing up. So this is the answer. You can stop the video, you can write the answer. According to the poem, the loss of childhood is involved in the process of growing up. The loss is compensated by some gains which come with adolescence. These are increase in understanding, power of realizing, and discrimination, as well as sense of individuality and self-confidence. This is the question. The third question, what are the poet's feeling towards childhood? Childhood के बारे में लेके poet से क्या feelings है? So the regards childhood is an important stage in the process of growing up. Childhood is a period of make-believe. Children readily accept whatever the elders say. The poet does not feel any regret or sense of loss on losing his childhood. Fourth question, which do you think is the most poetic lines and why? कौन से लाइन सबसे जबरदस्त poetic line है इस poem में? So the line is, it went to some forgotten place that's hidden in infant face. That's all I know. These lines beautifully sum up the process of growth and the disappearance of particular stage of life. These lines have a figurative or metaphorical meaning also. Okay, so this is the answer, and this is the last question answer. What did the speaker learn about existence of heaven and hell? Okay, so as the speaker grew to be mature, he acquired reasoning power. He realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography books, since they could not locate it anywhere in the world map. He concluded that did not exist. Already we know, the poet ने realize किया कि वो इस दुनिया में नहीं है, ये concept है, ये एक belief है. Okay, so friends, thanks for watching. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I will put some link in the description. You can watch some other videos of class 11. Okay, thank you very much everyone. Thank you.